How to add Amazon affiliate links to your Facebook page. Now first, if you want to add affiliate links or generate affiliate links in the first place, you will need an Amazon Associates account. So you want to go to affiliate/program.amazon.com, and here you basically register for an Amazon Associates account. It will automatically connect your Amazon Associates account with your original Amazon account, and then you can generate links. So I have a separate tutorial on how you can make an Amazon Associates account, but assuming you already have one, then you will get this Amazon Associates site stripe. So I'm going to show you how you can generate links and place them on your Facebook page now. First, we need to select a product that we want to promote. So here, I'm just going to do camera and see what pops up first. So let's do this one. For example, if we want to promote this camera, we're going to click on it to open it up, and you will see this blue text button. So if we want to generate an affiliate link on Amazon, we click on this text button, and this is the affiliate link that we have just generated. Now, if somebody opens this link and makes a purchase, it doesn't matter if they purchase this specific camera or they purchase anything else from Amazon, you will earn you will earn a commission. So like I said, I just clicked on the blue text button, and here I just copied this link. After we have the affiliate link copied, then we can go to our Facebook page, and here we are just going to go to our page itself, and we can make a new post or we can add it in our description, but I'm going to make a new post here. So we can say something along the lines of, get this amazing camera here, and then we can paste this link by right clicking and pasting it. Now, for example, let's pretend that this is like a GIF or some video or like a meme, and you can just add this affiliate link at the very bottom or at the top, and like I said, if people click on it, it will refer them to this page directly, and if they purchase anything through after clicking on your link, then you will earn a commission. So we just gotta click on post, and we will have posted this affiliate link on our Facebook page. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.